Okay, welcome to Learning and Manual Testing. Today we are going to deal about the real-time project. So before starting the project, we should know the other things, the prerequisites. The prerequisites are nothing but dealing of test cases and test scenarios. If you want to know what you want by test scenario and test cases, please refer the previous videos on on definitions on test scenario and test cases. Okay, now let's see what are test and test cases. We already know, but I'm just giving the definitions of test and test cases. So for more details, please refer the previous videos. Okay, what about a test scenario? Just a minute, my laptop stuck. What is meant by what is test scenario? Okay, test scenario. We know, right? Test scenario is nothing but we're validating the functionality of an application or validate user journey. Validate. For more details, please refer the previous videos on test scenario and test cases. I'm just repeating. Validate user's journey is nothing but test scenario, test cases. Okay, not test cases. Test cases are nothing but few attributes required to check the application. We'll consider it as test cases. Okay, let me save this document. So today we are going to deal with the real scenario on test cases and test scenarios. How real-time examples or really test scenario test case looks like. Okay, in real world. Okay, let me save this document. My laptop is slow. Let me save the document like test scenarios, test cases. Okay. Let's save in a document like notepad only text document. Okay. So before jumping to the topic on realistic dealing of test and test cases, we have to do the few conditions like web elements in real world. Okay. So let's take an example. Customer has given a requirement like whatever. I will take a sample requirement. That requirement is well used by everyone. So let's take an example of create a Facebook account. Okay, something a requirement is given. A requirement came. That requirement is to create a Facebook account. So now tell me, in order to create any account, what are the basic needs we required? Basic information. Let's take information. What we require to create any account? What are the basic information we required? Okay, we all know. First we require the username, and second one is we require the password, and third one is something like confirm password. So these are the things we need to we need to have before creating an account, right? We should fill all those things. And any idea? First name, the second and the last one will be last name or second name. Okay, it will be last name. Seventh will be what I think we'll have. Okay, date of birth. Date of birth. Okay, and more things. It will be something like phone number. Okay, we can give the phone number. Okay, I'm just guessing what are the things we require to create any account, not like Facebook. Let's consider for your bank account or your any or your Gmail account or Yahoo account. So these are basic information you will write, right? And whatever we'll write, okay, secondary mail ID or recovery mail ID. This is due to whenever we forget our username or password, right? We can get from this recovery mail ID, right? Okay, just a minute. Okay, okay. And for the thing we require more date of birth, mail ID, first name, last name, date of birth. These are things we require. Any more things? Okay, something like country. Okay, from which country you are operating. Something like these are basic details. Feel whenever we creating an account, not like Facebook, but for Gmail account we are creating this thing for Gmail or Yahoo Mail, anything. So I don't know in Facebook what are the things you will see here, but let's see whenever dealing to creating account in Facebook. Okay,